Tutorial 49, and today's topic will be how to describe your AWS EBS volume snapshot using Boto3 and Python. So this is also going to be a very small tutorial. I don't want to spend much time for this tutorial. So you guys already know what is describe or what is description or how to get the description. So it means to get all the available attributes from your resource, whether it is EC2 instance, security group, or VPC, or EC2 instance, or whatever you are creating. You can get those available or information from the attributes using this describe method. So let me just open to my AWS console. So if you see, I have this what is my snapshot. I can see any, yeah, I have a snapshot over created. So I will try to get all these attributes, all the attributes, available attributes from the snapshot using the describe method. So before I move ahead, so it will be tutorial 49 and how to describe AWS EBS volume snapshot using Boto3 and Python. Okay, like this. Let me just mark this thing as a heading, and after that just rename it to tutorial 49. So it will be tutorial 49. So before I start, so it is going to be normal thing, import Boto3, and after that EC2 underscore client, and this is going to be Boto3 dot client, and after that like this. Okay, it's done. So it is going to be this. I just mark it EC2 underscore Boto3, so don't worry. So let's describe. So probably describe snapshot, something will be there. Yeah, describe snapshot, and you have to just pass this thing like this. Just wait for some time, so it will bring all the available snapshots actually. So let's wait for some time. Maybe let me change. So all snapshots, so these are the snapshot actually available, all will come now. Just wait for some time. Yeah, so everything actually came, but I am not interested for everything. So that is why it is always better to use your snapshot ID. So you have to just pass these things within filters and name, or maybe just hold on. Yeah, you can only pass this thing snapshot IDs, so that will be enough. Okay, so like this, not here actually. So if you would like to get everything, we can do like this, and if you would like to use only on specific, then you can use it. So in the string, what do you have to do? We have to do something like that. Let me just come back to here, owned by me, then I have to come back to here. I have to copy this thing, I have to put this thing over here, and just because I'm only having one element, I don't need the comma. That's it. See, it is very fast, and I got everything. So this is my owner ID, this is snapshot ID. Snapshot ID is definitely this, the volume ID is this, the volume size is this, all these things are came necessary, and this is a description as well. So this is very simple, this is super cool, and once you get this thing, and based on that you can create a volume as well. Okay, so for example, the requirement is that try to create a volume for all the specific snapshots, right? Or maybe you can the requirement is that that your client wants to check what are the snapshots are actually having a volume created, or what are their volume, something similar. So if you have this volume ID attribute available, it means definitely this snapshot has been converted to volume, so something like that. Okay, so that's it. This is super easy, super small tutorial or tiny tutorial. You guys can see only one line of code. So I believe in last few tutorials we are actually very much concentrating on simple use cases, and there the line of code is actually less than 2 lines actually. So actually in the tutorial 46 we did something like very complex, and it is kind of advanced tutorial, and after that again these are the very small things. Like in that tutorial we actually learn how to create snapshot and why snapshot is required, and after that we have also seen how to create volume, and after that how to attach the volume, and after attaching the volume how to mount some directory to that volume or device using like your normal AWS console. So after that tutorial, these tutorials are very simple. So probably, as I told you last video as well, so hopefully we have seen how to create, how to delete, and now we have seen how to update the snapshot. So these are the things are done actually. So hopefully our tutorial with snapshot is completed. So probably from next tutorial onwards we'll be going to start something new. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next video very soon. Till then take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.